In today's digital age, having a website is non-negotiable. But it's not enough to just have a website. It needs to be good. Really good. That's where web designers come in. Web designers are the architects of the online world, crafting visually appealing and user-friendly websites that engage visitors and drive results. Web design is a valuable skill because it's in high demand. Every business, from small startups to large corporations, needs a website. And they're willing to pay good money for a well-designed one. This means there are plenty of opportunities for skilled web designers to make a great living. But it's not just about the money. Web design is also a creative and fulfilling field. You get to bring your ideas to life, solve problems, and make a real impact on how people experience the web. So, if you're looking for a career that's both lucrative and rewarding, web design is definitely worth considering. Let's explore some of the ways you can turn your design skills into a profitable venture. Freelancing is a popular choice for web designers who value flexibility and independence. As a freelance web designer, you're your own boss. You set your own hours, choose your own clients, and have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have made it easier than ever to find freelance web design gigs. These platforms connect businesses with freelancers across various industries, including web design. You can create a profile, showcase your portfolio, and bid on projects that match your skills and interests. One of the biggest advantages of freelancing is the earning potential. You set your own rates and get to keep a larger portion of your earnings compared to working for an agency. As you gain experience and build a strong reputation, you can increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. However, freelancing also comes with its challenges. You're responsible for finding your own clients, managing your time effectively, and handling your own taxes and finances. It requires discipline, self-motivation, and strong organizational skills. If you're ambitious and entrepreneurial, starting your own web design agency could be the path for you. Imagine building a team of talented designers, working with bigger clients, and having a greater impact on the industry. Running an agency requires a different skill set than freelancing. You need to be good at business development, client management, and team leadership. You'll be responsible for finding new clients, managing projects, and ensuring the agency's profitability. The earning potential for agency owners can be significant. As your agency grows and takes on larger projects, your revenue streams will increase. You'll also have the opportunity to build a valuable asset that you can potentially sell in the future. However, building a successful agency takes time, effort, and a strong vision. You'll need to invest in marketing and branding, build a solid team, and navigate the challenges of running a business. Section 4. Templates and Themes Design. Once, earn repeatedly. If you're looking for a way to generate passive income, consider creating and selling website templates or themes. This involves designing pre-made website layouts that users can purchase and customize for their own needs. Platforms like ThemeForest and Creative Market provide marketplaces for designers to sell their digital products, including website templates and themes. These platforms handle the marketing, payment processing, and delivery, making it easy for you to focus on creating high-quality designs. The beauty of selling templates and themes is that you design them once and can sell them multiple times. This creates a passive income stream that can continue to generate revenue over time, even while you're working on other projects. To be successful in this space, you need to create designs that are visually appealing, functional, and in demand. Research popular niches and design trends to identify profitable opportunities.